Ditch that default ringtone and let's craft a personalized sound that screams you using just your iPhone and Garageband. First things first, open up the Garageband app on your iPhone. If you don't have it already, you can download it for free from the App Store. Once Garageband is open, swipe through the instruments until you see Audio Recorder, then tap Voice. Don't worry about the vocal effects for now, we're just using this as a starting point. Now, tap the View button. It looks like a few lines on the top left of your screen. To switch to the track view, this is where we'll edit our ringtone. Next, tap the loop browser icon. It looks like a loop on the top right of your screen. This is where you'll import your audio. Tap the Files tab, and then select Browse Items from the Files app. Locate the song or audio clip you want to use as your ringtone and tap it to import it into GarageBand. Drag the imported audio file from the loop browser onto the track view to add it to your project. Now, trim your audio clip to the desired length. Remember, iPhone ringtones need to be 30 seconds or less. Use the yellow trim handles on either side of the audio region to shorten it. You can also adjust the volume of your ringtone by tapping on the track, selecting Edit, then tapping the settings icon at the bottom left and adjusting the volume slider. Once you're happy with your ringtone, tap Done in the top left corner. This will take you back to the My Songs browser. Long press on your project until a menu pops up, then select Share. In the Share sheet, tap on Ringtone. You can rename your ringtone here, then tap Export in the top right corner. Finally, tap Use Sound As and choose Standard Ringtone to set it as your default ringtone, or assign it to a specific contact. Now enjoy your new ringtone.